Chewie, this is a dream to see you on the Millennium Falcon. I'm nerding out right now.
All right, we now have a new little pumpkin stitch for the office. I'm really excited for today. First, we're gonna go to Disney Springs for a little bit, have lunch, and then we're gonna be going to a special after hours party tonight. Let's go. We're gonna go to Boathouse for lunch. The gift shop has a naughty girl. And then down here, I think this is the best shirt because it's the Duck Duck Raz, the Boathouse, the most famous drink that they have. Ship-faced. Do you want me salted or naked? You can't float with us. The captain is always right. Bourbon goes in, wisdom comes out. Captain's wifey, outside, right?
Shouldn't they be soft?
It's not as like firm, nice, hard.
I don't know what you're talking about, Kevin.
They're really soggy. It's like a soggy waffle.
I got the beer cheese, mac and cheese. It's got andouille sausage with shrimp. This thing is so good. And I got a lot of leftovers for Alice. She loves this thing so much. Creamy, thick, potent beer cheese, a little bit of spice on the end of it. I went with Old Faithful, right? You get the filet sliders, do 3 instead of 2. You get the truffle fries with lemon aioli. You get the wonderful filet with maitre d' butter on top. It's filet time. Alright, honestly kind of let me down. 8 out of 10 on everything. The quality was just kind of slacking. Filet sliders weren't as good. Mac and cheese wasn't as good. The rolls were like a 5.5. I don't know what was going on today at Boathouse, but it wasn't a 10 out of 10. It was an 8 out of 10 on the overall experience. This directory, the fan is going so loud, it sounds like a PS4 running when you're playing Warzone. Before we enter into the world of Disney, we gotta say hello to Chewie's Thick Cheeks right there. Alright, let's get our spoopy on at World of Disney. $25, I'm feeling fantastic. Alright, looks like there's a whole new Spirit jersey collection. Are people still excited for Spirit jerseys? $95 for the lounge fly. And I want you guys to guess the price because everybody's got to guess the price because there's no price on them. And then down here is the Spirit jersey, or just kind of a long sleeve shirt. I kind of like the design. It looks like the sprinkles that goes on top of a birthday cake instead of like fireworks, but you're looking at $80 for this long sleeve shirt. And on the back says Walt Disney World. It kind of hurts your eyes, honestly, to look at it. New Spirit jersey. Choose your path. Star Wars. You know what the path is? Green milk or blue milk. Choose your path. $75. They have little dog costumes here. It's a Tiana costume, but you put a wig on your dog. They have this printed the Evil Queen. I just thought she was kind of just shoving some food in her mouth, but it's lipstick. Big Al has been finally caught for his crimes of why there was blood on the saddle. They put him under house arrest. Both of them now. Okay, looks like Vecna has definitely taken a hold of these mannequins. They're about to go flying any minute. Hi everyone, we are off to Hollywood Studios right now. We're going to a special after hours event, not open to the public. It's only open to cast members and their friends and family. As we know, I'm no longer a cast member, but I'm still friends with a bunch of them. So Brent invited me out to go with him. It's called the Earidescent night, right? Because Disney wanted to do something special for their cast members to kind of like give back to them. So there's gonna be low wait times. I think you get like free Mickey bars and everything. So I'm gonna cover it all for you guys. If you are a cast member, you will find out what you have coming up for you if you're going to one of these nights. And if you are anyone else, you're gonna appreciate what Disney did for their cast members. Jeep the 13th, Camp Crystal Lake. I'm loving this. Camp Counselor. Oh my gosh. It's like handprints and then Jason's mask on the hood. Wilderness Survival. Emotional Support Vehicle. Hollywood Studios. Here we go. Cast member Iridescent evening. Event check-in. The joke of the day.
You know, there's a very old Confucius line. I don't know if you've ever heard it before. Confucius said, "Man who run in front of car get tired. Man who run behind car get exhausted. Man who run beside car very, very fast." Is that a good one?
Are they giving everybody a mouse droid?
Nice.
Got a little mouse droid. Alright, so here's the map. They have some special things going on. It goes on from 9:30 p.m. till 12:30 a.m. Now, they allow you to get in at 7, but they have complimentary photo pass download, mobile cast compliment, special character meet and greet with Donald Duck, Daisy Duck, Goofy and Pluto, and Mickey and Minnie. They're gonna have a special DJ, and the Beacons of Magic at Hollywood Tower is gonna be happening. And they're gonna be giving away, you can get what, select beverages, popcorn, pretzels, churros, packaged fruit, or ice cream. Do you know what this is?
I can't.
Do you know what you're holding right now?
Oh no, this is a
You don't know what this is?
it's Star Wars? Where they put the droids?
It's a mouse droid. You don't know what a mouse droid is?
No.
Alright, Disney's selling one of the most oddly shaped gift cards I have ever seen. This is a standard card, right? Fits in your wallet. This is the current Disney gift card that they're selling. It's like double the size. It's fully in there and it just sticks out of the wallet like that. It's time to ride Tower of Terror. It's literally 100 degrees out and 70% humidity. We are dripping. This is the hottest night I think I've ever experienced. We're going into the AC for a little bit. It's still one of the best queues at Disney. Oh, the AC. The AC is so nice right now. I like this Oogie Boogie Nutcracker. $70. Oh, he's got the bugs in his mouth.
It's really cool. For $30, they have the snake from Nightmare Before Christmas. Seriously spooky. Ooh.
So mobile ordered. It's time to get our late night Ronto wrap.
Alright, update on the chips. And we have the yellow plantain chips are back. The purple ones have still yet to return. Now, during the event, Olga's Cantina is also going to be open. Well, the line for Olga's is going all the way back here. Rise the Resistance is a 35-minute wait. And with the standby is going all the way back here to the entrance into Batu. We've just pretty much walked on to the ride. I just love how beautiful Batu is during the nighttime. It really comes alive.
Cargo vessel TR-141, you are now under the commands of the First Order.
And again, every time we walk in here, we're just left speechless.
That wasn't real. It was made with CG, but it's a good laugh.
Muppet Vision is not operating here at the Iridescent night. Well, they do have the cards that give out the Cokes to the cast members, but the line is a little long.
Concluding its regular operating hours, I wanted to thank you for joining us for the world's most magical celebration. We are now welcoming cast members for a special event to thank them for all they do. Have a great evening.
That's nice. Jeff Valle gave a little announcement for all the cast members to welcome them to the event.
Kermit the Frog and Jim Henson, Pam Prince. Time to go on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's a walk-on.
I'm excited for Disneyland's Runaway Railway because it's going to be a little bit different. They're going to have an extra show scene in there. I believe the queue is going to be a little different also. They also have a Donald Duck, Daisy, and Goofy and Pluto meet and greet over here at Disney Junior.
They have Donald and Daisy right there. And then over on this side, you got Pluto and Goofy. Now they do have some special meet and greets here. They have Minnie and Mickey.
So we got the special Walt Disney World Coke, and then we also got the Mickey Premium Bar.
Now the only time I ever eat a Mickey bar is at an after hours event. You can have as many as you want here. We're about to ride Smugglers Run right now. Apparently there's some special characters in the queue.
Currently a 5-minute wait. There's no wait. We're just walking directly on. We're gonna go to the left-hand side first. There's two different characters, one on each side. They have R2-D2 in here. Hi R2, it's great to see you on here. You're piloting for us.
Not gonna do it. We get to see R2 inside the Millennium Falcon. I love that.
You are pulling that precious cargo. Now get the move on.
Here we go, Brent. You got the most important seat right there, buddy.
To take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and stick to fly out.
Oh, come on, Brent.
To fly down.
Pull it back, Brent.
If locked on to us, take your basic action.
Oh, what was happening there?
It's not to us. Cargo's breaking, shooting.
I've never seen it glitch out that much. The audio was going in and out. The screen was freezing and jumping and skipping. I don't know what was happening. Somebody needs to pull out that cartridge, blow on it, and then try to put it back in.
We've now requested the right side to meet the other characters.
All right, here we go. Here we go. Is he gonna be here? Wow.
Chewie, this is a dream to see you on the Millennium Falcon. I'm nerding out right now. What is your favorite part of the Millennium Falcon now that we're in here? I feel like this upsets you a little bit, right? When you lose. If we do play, I will let you win so you don't rip off my arms. Okay.
All right, Chewie, it's great seeing you. Someone did chalk art. It says, "May the force be with you." Some lightsabers, and there's a little Grogu right there. And when the cast members are walking in, it says, "Welcome, Magic Makers." And then this one says, "You are the magic." And then this one says, "Thank you, cast members."
Okay, now guys, we were back on the way out. They handed you this. So it says, "We are the magic. Cast members are the reason the world's most magical celebration is possible. We are the magic that has won the hearts of our guests for the last 50 years. Thank you for all you do." This event kind of meant a lot to a lot of cast members and their friends and family. It was the first time in years since like 2020 happened, right, that they've really done something like this for the cast members. Gave them a special after hours event. There was free food, 0 waits, and every single cast member was having such a blast. I think Disney did a great job by offering this to all their cast members. They did many iridescent nights for all their cast members at all the different parks on different days across a couple months. It was really cool that they were like, thank you, because cast members are the magic, right? They're the ones who work very hard to make sure everybody's vacation is incredible. Huge shout out to every single cast member who worked at the Iridescent night and every single cast member who works for the company. Like, thank you guys so much for everything that you do. And this little token of appreciation from Jeff that was given out to everyone, I thought that was a nice nod to kind of recognize your cast for everything that they do. So, my Iridescent review, good time. I do want to talk about the Chewie moment, right? How freaking insane was that, right? Walking onto the Millennium Falcon. One side has R2 beeping at you, talking when you walk in there. And then the other side, Chewbacca, the man, the myth, the legend, in his natural habitat, the Millennium Falcon. Now, he will never be there any other day. He will never be there for a standard day. He will not be there for a Star Wars night, like in Disneyland. There's just not enough room, and you're trying to get people on the ride. So it was a very kind of nice, intimate moment for cast members and their friends and family to get this truly magical moment meeting Chewbacca on the Millennium Falcon. It was insane. I nerded out. I love the photo that I got. Chewie was showing off some leg for the camera. But guys, let me know down in the comments, what do you think about Iridescent night? If you're a cast member, what did you think about your Iridescent night when you went? So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button, join the family.
We love the family.
Because I'm gonna keep you up to date on all things Disney and theme park around the country. All right guys, I love you all. Please stay safe, and I'll see y'all very soon.
Alright, let's take a second to appreciate this Jurassic Park Jeep. This was one of my dream cars back in the day.